awak boleh buka muka surat 126, page 126. Page 126, which we stop last lesson at question number 2. Then we will continue with question number 3. Okay, maybe some of you have finished it. I just want to check back lah, just we do together. So from previous question, question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1, you are given already y, which is the subject, y equals to 1 minus 2x. Okay, but for number 2, question number 2, we have to find what is the y first. Then we can substitute into number 2. Okay, now for number 3, okay, you are given the x. So what we have to do, you take this x, substitute into 1. So just like question number 1 and number 2, substitute 2 into 1. So substitute 2 into 1. Okay, so what is number 1? Number 1, you can see that we have 2x plus 3y equals to 9. So the 2 is 2 lah. And then x now become 2y plus 1. Okay, then plus, okay, you can see equation number 1 plus, so you copy back, plus 3y equals to 9. Okay, so now we can find the y. What is the value of y? 2 times 2, 4y, plus 2 times 1, 2, plus 3y equals to 9. Okay, so 4y plus 3y, 7y. So 2, we bring to the right. So 9 minus 2. 7y equals to 7. So y equals to 7 divided by 7, 1. So after we have finished finding the y, of course we have to find the value of x. Okay, so now we can substitute the y equals to 1 into, actually you can substitute either into number 1 or number 2 because we have find the value of y. Kita dah cari dah nilai y. So now you either can substitute number 1 or number 2. I choose number 2 because, okay, already x. So x equals to, number 2 is x equals to 2y. The y now become number 1 plus 1. So 2 times 1, 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So x equals to 3. So the point of intersection is x3, y1. So 3, 1 is the point of intersection. Okay, so maybe some of you have finished it. If not yet, so we can write down. So next, we can get ready with the next method, which is elimination method. Okay, are you ready for elimination method? Page 127. Okay, boleh kita proceed? Boleh? Diam je, okey kot. Okey, save. Okay, sekarang saya nak buka yang lain. Open page 127. Okay, so for page 127, okay, question number 1, this is elimination method. Elimination elimination method. Eliminate. So we want to remove, to eliminate, matikan salah satu value ya. This is elimination method. So from page 126 is substitution method, but for page 127 is related with elimination method. Hapuskan, matikan. Okay, so if you look at question number 1, okay, number 1 is x plus y equals to 3. For x plus y equals to 15. Okay, so as usual lah, first equation as number 1, second equation as number 2. So when we say about eliminate, hapuskan, matikan, so you can see that first equation we have x and second equation we have 4x. Tak boleh matikan. Okay, cannot eliminate. But y kita boleh matikan. How to eliminate? Minus lah. Y minus y, kita eliminate y sebab y ni single. Okay, dia seorang-seorang je, senang kita nak hapuskan dia. Okay, single. So y minus y become 0. So eliminate already. So how to eliminate? From equation number 1 minus with equation number 2. So this we call it as elimination method. Okay, so equation 1 minus equation 2. So from equation number 1 we have x. X minus 4x, what we get? Negative 3x. X minus 4x equals to negative 3x. So this negative 3x kita copy bawah equation operation of 1 minus 2. And then after x minus 4x, y lah. We solve for the y. Y minus y, we get 0. This is eliminate. Kita nak hapuskan supaya one of the unknown will be eliminate, akan dihapuskan. Okay, so tak perlu tulislah 0. Equal. And then equation number 1 we got number 3. Equation number 2 we got number 15. So 3 minus 15 equals to negative 12. So this negative 12 kita write down next to the equal symbol. So negative 12. This is elimination method. After that, of course, find the value of x. X equals to negative 12 over negative 3. So x equals to 4. Okay, can you understand for this one? Kita eliminate one of them. Okay. After finding the value of x, of course kena cari y juga. We have to find the value of y. So substitute x equals to 4 into, so you can choose either equation number 1 or equation number 2. So I choose equation number 1 sebab dia ada x dengan y, senang. Because equation number 2 we got 4x, kena ada multiply lagi. Okay, so x now become 4. Question number 1, the x now 4 plus y equals to 3. So y equals to 3 minus 4. Y equals to negative 1. So what is the point of intersection? Point of intersection is 4, negative 1. Okay. Boleh ikut? Okay, boleh? Kalau laju cakap laju ya. Awak tak faham ke apa. Okay, question 1 you are given the simple example first. Next is for question number 2. Some operation of multiplication we have to do before we can eliminate the value the unknown x or unknown y. Okay. Now everyone, can we proceed to question number 2?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you for your response. So now we go to question number 2. So question number 2, 5x plus 3y equals to 2. 3x minus 2y equals to negative 14. So two equation as usual, equation number 1, equation number 2. Okay, the problem is we cannot eliminate directly. Okay, if like question number 1, we got y minus y already 0. So this one, nothing that we can eliminate directly. So what we have to do, find the small multiple, okay, the lowest multiple, LCM, lowest common multiple. Okay, what I can see here is number 3 and 6. Okay, this 3 and 6. Okay, this 3 and 6 and 2, sorry. 5, 3 pun boleh, 3 and 2. Okay, because dia punya partner y. So 3 times 2, 6, 2 times 3, 6. So 6y and 6y can be eliminated. Okay, so that means if 3y, we multiply with 2, everything in equation number 1 will be multiplied with 2. Okay, so equation number 1 multiply with 2. So we will get 5 times 2, 10x, positive, positive, plus, okay, and then 3 times 2, 6y, equals to 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, which now you can see that actually this is a new equation. So equation number 3. Okay, nothing can be eliminated yet. So now we will use equation number 2. So equation number 2 multiply with 3. So what we will get is everything in equation number 2 will be multiplied with 3. So 3x times 3 is 9x. Negative 2y times 3 is negative 6y. Negative 14 times 3 is negative 42. So you can use calculator. Negative 14 times 3 is negative 42. So this will be new equation number 4. Okay, now you can see that we have 6y, 6y. The third equation is positive 6y. The second equation is minus 6y. So how to eliminate it to become 0 supaya mereka jadi 0? That means 6y plus negative 6y become 0 lah. Okay, awak tak boleh minus. Kalau awak minus, 6y positive is from the equation number 3. Minus 6y, negative 6y is from equation number 4. So 6y plus with negative 6y equals to 0. Now we can eliminate. If you do plus, okay, example, 6y plus, minus, if you minus, 3 minus 4, equation number 3 minus 4, 6y minus negative 6y, okay, what we will get is 12y. So our operation will be longer. So sudah jadi salah. Okay, so that means operation that is related here will be my plus, okay, not minus. Okay, so equation number 3, 3 minus 4. Plus kan saya sebut tadi 3 plus 4, sorry. 3 plus 4. Okay, so 3 plus 4, 10x plus 9x. 10x plus 9x is 19x. Okay, positive 6y plus with negative 6y, 0. So we eliminate. And then equal 4 plus negative 42. 4 plus negative 42. Okay, so you will get negative 38. So negative 38 Then x equals to negative 38 over 19. So x equals to negative 2. Okay, after dapat x, we have to find the y. So substitute x equals to negative 2 into which equation? So after we get the value of x, you can either substitute to number 1, number 2, number 3 or number 4. Depends on you lah. So saya pilih number 1 terus into number 1. 5x, x now is negative 2 plus 3y equals to 2. So 5 times negative 2, negative 10 plus 3y equals to 2. 3y equals to 2 plus 10. 3y equals to 12. Y equals to 12 over 3, 4. So the point of intersection will be point of intersection is negative 2, 4. Okay. Boleh? Buat check lah dekat sini dia punya simbol lah. Dia punya simbol positif or negatif to eliminate. Okay, done? Let's proceed number 3. Okay, so sudah lah kot tu. Okay, now we go to number 3. Number 3. 3x minus 2y equals to 8. 2x plus 3y equals to 1. So first equation, second equation. Okay, so dekat sini kita tak boleh eliminate directly. Kita kena buat like question number 2 lah. Okay, so dua-dua sini sama, both equation, 3 and 2, 2 and 3. So boleh jadi 6 lah. Choose lah either one. 3x, I choose number 1 to multiply with 2. So 3 times 2, 6x minus 2y times 2, 4y. 8 times 2, 16. So equation number 3. Okay, and then second equation, 2 times with 3. So 2 times 3 we will get 6x. 3y times 3y. 3y times 3, 9y. Positive. 1 times 3, 3. So number 4. Okay, what is the next step? So you can see that we have 6x, 6x. So nak jadikan dia 0, minus lah 6x minus 6x. That means equation number 3 minus equation number 4. Okay, so 3 nak minus 4, awak pun minus. So equation number 3 is negative 4y, 6x minus 6x, 0. Negative 4y. Negative 4y minus 9y. Minus positive 9y. Okay, so we will get negative 13y. So 3 minus 4 is negative 13y equals to. Cikgu, kalau saya samakan y boleh? Boleh, no problem. Sebab awak akan dapat y dulu dan you find the x later lah. Sama saja. Boleh, tak ada masalah, boleh samakan y juga. Okay, so I will continue my working here. 13y. Okay. Sama-sama. Okay, 16, 3. Sini sambung. 3 minus 4. 16 minus 3 is 13. So y equals to 13 over negative 13, y equals to negative 1. Okay, so next, substitute y equals to negative 1 into number, you can choose lah, into number 1. I choose number 1. So 3x minus 2y, the y is negative 1 equals to 8. So 3x plus 2 equals to 8. Negative, negative, positive. Okay, so 3x, 8 minus 2, 6. So x equals to 6 over 3, x equals to 2. That means point of intersection is x2, y negative 1, 2, negative 1. Okay, so dah siap. Okay, boleh everyone? So,
Can.
boleh ya? Okay.
Boleh.
For exam, dia kalau dia minta method substitution method, you have to use substitution method. You cannot use elimination method. Okay, if they ask about elimination, if they say the method, you have to follow the method lah. If they didn't say the method, you can choose either substitution method or elimination method. Okay, so now I will go to page 128. Okay, so this is a question. Number 1. Okay, inilah problem solving kau. Okay, the diagram shows a parallelogram OABC. Find the equation of the straight line BC and the coordinates of point C. Okay, so basically what you have learned, y equals to mx plus c, and then to find the gradient m and find the c, we will use now to solve the problem. So from this question, you are not given the equation, okay, but we can use the coordinate here. So you can see that we have coordinate A 12, 6, and then O here is the origin. So what is the coordinate of origin? 0, 0. Yang ni kena tambah sendirilah. Okay, dia tak bagi ni. Okay, so find the gradient first. So how to find the gradient? Ada banyak method. Okay, y2 minus, how to find the gradient? For this question, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So which gradient we want to find first? The OA. MOA. Okay, the gradient of OA. You can see that we have O here and then ada A dekat sini. OA. Find the gradient of OA. So coordinate, tulislah kat sini kalau awak tak biasa kan, awak tulis sini. Ni sini X1, Y1. X2, Y2. Supaya tak silap. So what is our Y2 now? 6. Minus is minus, y1 is 0 over our x2 is 12 minus our x1 is 0. So 6 minus 0, 6, 12 minus 0, 12. So simplify, 6 over 12 is 1 over 2. Okay, so question said find the equation of the straight line BC. Equation of straight line BC. Then coordinate of point C. So because you can see that we have parallel line. Still remember parallel line, what is the meaning of parallel line? The gradient of both lines will be the same. After you find the gradient of OA line, now we can know that the gradient of BC is also 1 over 2. That means gradient of BC equals to 1 over 2. Siapa tak faham kat sini? Okay, dua garis yang parallel mempunyai gradient yang sama. Okay, so the same gradient, 1/2, sini pun 1/2. So sekarang kita boleh gunalah y equals to mx plus c. Y equals to mx plus c. Okay. So kita nak cari equation of the straight line BC dulu. This is the equation of straight line BC. Okay, now the point, one of the point is given by 12, 10. Sini. Kita padam terus pula. 12, 10. Okay, 12, 10. So, the y is 10. The coordinate 12, 10. And the y is 10. Equal, m gradient is 1/2. The coordinate for the x is 12. Then plus c. So 10 equals to 12/2, 6 plus c. So what is c? C equals to 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6, c equals to 4. Okay, so what is the equation? Y equals to mx, our m is 1/2, x is x plus c. What is c? 4 plus 4. So this is the equation of straight line BC. Equation of straight line BC equals to this. Okay, y equals to 1/2 plus 1/2x plus 4. Okay, so far boleh ikut?
Boleh cikgu.
Apa koordinat untuk point C? What is the coordinate of point C? Okay, point C. Sini point dia apa? X will be 0, betul tak? 0. C, remember what is the C for? C ni apa dia punya maksud sebenarnya? Simbol untuk apa? Y intercept. No, Y intercept. M gradient. C itu ialah Y intercept. Ingat balik, M gradient. C is Y intercept. So, kita dah tahu kita punya C. C is 4. So that means value dekat sini, nilai C dekat sini is actually 4. So what is the coordinate? 0, 4. So point C is actually 0, 4. Siapa faham? Boleh ya? Okay, tu problem solving yang pertama. Now we go to number 2. Okay, number 2 in the diagram, AB is parallel to PQ. Parallel, remember parallel means their gradient will be the same, sama. So given the gradient of AB 1/2, find the value of K. Okay, so gradient, you are given the gradient. So how to find the gradient? Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. So given gradient is 1/2. Okay, soalan A, gradient AB equals to 1/2. So how to find gradient? Look at the 2 point here. We have 0 to A, 0 to B, 6K. So kalau rasa takut salah, you label first. This one is X1, Y1. For point B, X2, Y2. Okay, kalau dah biasa, no problem. Okay, so how to find gradient? Y2 minus Y1. Our Y2 is K. Minus Y1 is 2. Over X2, 6. Minus X1, 0. Equal 1/2. So K minus 2 is K minus 2 over 6 minus 0 is 6 equals to 1 over 2. Okay, and then you solve lah, find the K. K minus 2 equals to 1 over 2 times 6. Then K minus 2 equals to 1 over 2 times 6 is 3. So K equals to 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, so K equals to 5. Dah siap. Question A. The value of K equals to 5. Boleh? Salah. Okay, next. Soalan B. Okay, equation of straight line PQ. So, how to find? Y equals to mx plus c. Okay, PQ, so refer to PQ lah. Y equals to mx plus c. So Y for the coordinate dia apa? Kat sini kan for point Q 0, 8. So the Y is 8. What is the M? M equals to gradient. Gradient parallel to the AB. Gradient sama 1 over 2 X 0. Okay. Point Q, the X is 0 plus C. So 8 equals to 1 over 2 times 0, 0, 0 plus C is C. So that means C equals to 8. So now we can find the straight line equation of PQ. What is the straight line equation? Y equals to mx. M is 1 over 2. X plus C. The C is 8. 1 over 2x plus 8. That's the answer. Okay. Boleh?
Boleh,
Okay.
cikgu.
Simple. Number 2, number 3. Oh, number 3 dah sini. Okay, dah siap ke? Saya laju je. Nanti awak tengoklah kat jawapan kalau tak sempat salin. Okay, question number 3. Okay, we want to find the value of M. Y equals to mx. In the diagram, the straight line y equals to mx intersect the straight line PQ at H. Find the value of M. So y equals to mx. Okay, so copy lah. Copy first. A equals to y equals to mx. So which dia tak ada C. Okay, why we don't have the C here? Y equals to mx plus C because you can see that the C, the y intercept touch at 0, 0. It touch at origin 0, 0. So the C becomes 0. So tak perlu tulis lah. That's why the equation is just y equals to mx. Okay. So how to find the value of M? So you can see that this straight line equation y equals to mx intersect at point H63. So kita boleh guna 63, H63 ni as our key to find the M. So our y will be 3. M we want to find. The x is 6. So bolehlah cari M. So M equals to 3 over 6. M equals to 1 over 2. Dah siap. Okay, boleh? Okay, next we want to find the equation of the straight line PQ. Okay, so ingat je equation straight line je, y equals to mx plus c. Okay, PQ means you refer to PQ. So, one of the coordinate that is given is 8, 0. So, we will choose this 8, 0 to help us to find y equals to 0. The M. Oh, M tak tahu lah cikgu. So, how to find the M? Find first lah. Bila tak tahu kat sini, we have to find. M equals to, okay, straight line PQ is here. At the same time, you can see that H, kita boleh guna H ni juga sebab apa? This point H is lie on the straight line PQ. So you can see H and P is how we want to find the gradient. So the 8, 0, x1, y1, x1, y1, 6, 3 will be x2, y2. Mana-mana pun tak apa. H as number 1 pun boleh, P as number 1 pun boleh. So ini saya punya lah. So y2, my y2 is 3. 3 minus 0 over x2 minus x1. x2, 6. x1, 8. Minus 8. So 3 minus 0, 3. 6 minus 8, negative 2. So our gradient is actually negative 3 over 2. Oh, sekarang baru dah ada dia punya gradient. So find that gradient. Take this gradient, substitute into the equation y equals to mx plus c just now. So the m is now negative 3 over 2. So what is the x? Kita tadi guna p0 kan? Yes. X is 8 plus c. So you can find that c. 8 over 2, 4. So 0 equals to negative 3 times 4, negative 12 plus c. So our c is actually 12. Any problem? Dia minta straight line equation. So what is the straight line equation? Straight line equation.
Y equals to negative 3 over 2x plus 12.
Yes. Okay, so y equals to negative 3 over 2x plus 12. Y equals to mx plus c. M is negative 3 over 2x plus 12. Okay, sebenarnya memang saya nak stop sampai sini je. Next is problem solving for practice PT3. Can we continue until 10 Dah siap Salif? Saya nak tunjuk soalan penyelesaian masalah je section C. Tak ada gambar lagi sebenarnya. Okay? Sebenarnya saya tak prepare untuk section C ni. Section C for page 130. Okay, so awak selesaikan dahulu. Okay, nanti saya share dia punya jawapan. So, habislah kita punya syllabus form 3. That means awak boleh jawab lah soalan kertas model 53 tu. Okay, hopefully you can answer it well in your exam. Okay, ada soalan? Ada. Sekejap je. Saya memang nak bincang, nak habiskan syllabus sampai page 128 saja. Okay, yang lain tu memang kena buat exercise. So you do page 129 and 130. Okay. Kalau tak faham, boleh tanya dalam group. Okay, I will share the working. Bolehlah buat video sikit untuk awak tengok. Okay. So saya stop sekarang lah. Boleh ya?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Okay, bye everyone. Thank you.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.